first step is to create the new drawing file. So first I'm going to click on the new button in the corner, and I'm going to select drawing and press OK. Now a dialog box is going to open and it's going to ask me for the default model. So I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the drawing.part, and I'm going to leave the template as a C, and I'm going to press OK. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to move a part by clicking and dragging on it. So the first step is to highlight the part you want to move, then right click and uncheck lock view movement. Now when my cursor is over it, I can click on it and you can see I can move my feature wherever I want. Also notice that the other two features are going to stay in line with this feature regardless of where I move it. Another way of moving is by first highlighting the object you want to move, then right clicking and selecting properties, and then in the categories tab click on origin, and you could change the X and Y locations of that drawing view. So I'm going to change these values so that the X and Y locations are both going to be 5. And these measurements are going from the bottom left corner of the sheet to the center of that drawing view. And I'm going to click apply. Another thing you can do while in the properties tab is to change the view orientation. To do this, click on view type, and then where it says model view names, I'm going to change it to bottom and click apply. Note that a dialog box is going to appear, and it's going to inform you that the other two views are also going to change because you reoriented this one. So just click yes, and notice how the drawing changed. To add a projection view, click on projection in the model views tab, then click on the view you wish to add the projection to, and then click where you want to add the projection. Notice that right now it's currently a shaded view and I want this to be hidden, so I'm going to right click and select properties, and I'm going to click on view display, and I'm going to change the display style from follow environment to hidden. Now I'm going to click apply and close. To change the scale, click on any of the projections, then right click and select properties, then click on scale in the categories tab and select custom scale, and I'm just going to make this 0.05 and click apply. Notice that when you change the scale, a scale note is going to be created. I'm just going to move this note down into the corner. Now I want to add a general view to my drawing, so I'm going to click on general, and I'm going to click default and press OK, and now I'm going to click where I want the general view to be, so I'm going to click in this empty corner over here. Now let me just move this dialog box so you can see the general view. Right now the model is set to default orientation, and you could change the default orientation from trimetric to isometric or user defined, but I'm just going to leave it as trimetric and click apply and press close. With general views, it is often okay to leave it as a shaded view, unlike when creating a projected view, you want it to be hidden.